Carrot oil is natural lightening oil. It tones skin naturally. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 2 methods how to make carrot oil at home. I welcome you all to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, please do well by subscribe to my channel. I'll be making use of organic carrots, so you can just use any carrot you find, but if you can get organic carrot, it's also good. So this is the carrot I'll be using. Because I'm using the 2 methods, I will use 2 carrots for one method and the other 2 for another method. So I've shredded this, I'll put it in container. So this is what I'll be using for first method. I will go ahead to shred the second one for second method. Don't forget to wash your carrot before you scrap it, because you won't receive the taste out of it after you finish shredded it, as you can see me doing that. So guys, here are the 2 carrots for the 2 method. For the first method, I'll be using steam method, and I'll be using my organic olive oil. And apart from steam method, you can also use cold press method, in whereby after adding your natural oil to the shredded carrot, you can just set it aside for 2 days or more, maximum 7 days. And after how many days you wish to keep the carrot mixture, then you can strain it. So that is cold press method, but this one I'm using steam method. So right here I've added the olive oil, as you can see, and I've mixed it together, and I'm also adding more because the carrot will absorb the oil. So I'm adding more to the oil, then I'm mixing it very well. After the both mixture are well mixed, then I will go ahead to put it in hot water on a low heat to steam for some minutes. So that is the first method, which is steam method. So that is the first method. Then I will go ahead to the second method. The second method is going to be fry method. So in whereby I'm adding my olive oil to my fry pan. I see olive oil as best oil to use because it's very affordable and it's good for all weather. Coconut oil is also good, but it's just that in cold time it's always in frozen. And if you use coconut oil to make this kind of carrot oil, in cold weather the oil is going to be frozen and it will not be easy to use. Almond oil is also a very good oil to use, but as we all know, we cannot use a very large quantity due to it's very expensive and it's not surplus like olive oil. So guys, as you can see, this is the second method. So I'm using the fry method for the second method. Please fry it on a low heat for duration of 10 to 15 minutes. Carrot oil has so many amazing benefits because it contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and also contain beta carotene. The beta carotene helps to lighten the skin naturally. Because of that, it helps to clear dark spots, and if you have any dark part in your body like inner thighs, it will help to clear. It also helps to prevent skin infection like eczema because it contains antifungal and antibacterial. Please don't forget to give me a thumb up for this video. So this is the first method. I'm going to set it aside and also bring out the second method also and put it in the container. So guys, here are the 2 methods. If you look closely, you will notice the difference between the 2 methods. This one I'm holding is the second method, which is the fry one, while this one is the steam one. So if you look the 2 together, you will notice that the steam one is deeper, while the frying one, which is second one, look fade or look bleached. Right now I will go ahead to use my strainer to strain the oil from the mixture. So I'm also doing it for the second time. As you can see, you have to be careful because the end there's something like some liquid at the end in which you don't want to mix with your oil. To make this oil more effective, I'm going to add my vitamin E oil. So I'm going to add like 2 capsules of vitamin E to make the oil more effective. And also you can also add any lightening oil of your choice if you want to use it on your skin. But if you want to use it for hair, you can add like jojoba oil, or you add castor oil, or you add almond oil. It's very good for hair also because it will help you to take away dandruff and dryness. It also make the hair more thicker. If you are watching this channel for the first time, I welcome you to my channel. The name of this channel is Adeola Super. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please consider you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on your notification bell so that anytime I drop the new video you get the notified. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. May God bless you all. And please guys, don't forget to like this video and share with your loved one. So guys, you can apply this carrot oil direct on your skin or you mix it with your body lotion. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.